Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Our battery is really dirty and covered with corrosion and some leaking acid, so we're going to clean it. We'll start by disconnecting the negative terminal first, using this 10mm wrench to loosen it. Pull it off, put that aside. Lift up the positive cap here. And loosen the 10mm nut on the positive terminal. Put that aside. We're going to use some battery terminal cleaner spray. You want to make sure you wear gloves when you do this because there is battery acid. So this cleaner actually turns pink color when battery acid is present. You can sort of see it turning pink there. I'm going to just take a rag. Yeah, see it's turning pink, so there is acid on top of this battery. Wipe it down. See even some battery acid sprayed out onto the airbox. Now we're going to take our battery terminal cleaning tool. It's got some stiff wire brushes in here. Clean the terminals. You can only turn one direction because they're kind of angled. Do that for both of them. Then you can separate these tools. You've got a wire brush there. Clean inside the positive terminal. And do the same for the positive terminal. Spray some cleaner in there. Wipe it down a little more. Get some of this dust off of here. I'll tighten that down. You can also take a wire brush and some of this cleaner. We'll just scrub down the outside of it. Reattach the negative. Tighten that down. When you're done, you can take some battery, it's called battery terminal sealer. You could also use Vaseline if that's all you have access to. You just want to keep these covered from the elements, they don't corrode again. So we're going to spray these. The same for both. Reinstall the positive terminal cover. Yeah, it's got some battery acid on it too. I sprayed some of the cleaner on a rag. And I'm just going to wipe it down. Battery's nice and clean, should perform well for us.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.